Hello guys, it's me, Brandon Lee, and we're back for another YouTube video. So in this video, we'll be doing math, Krunker, Prodigy, and Fortnite, okay? So let's get started. So we'll start with Fibonacci. So Fibonacci, what is the Fibonacci sequence? Well, it's basically just numbers. So 1, 1, you just add the number you're on plus the last number to get the next number, which is 2. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. 21 plus 13 is 34. 34 plus 21 is 55. 55 plus 34 is 89, and so on. So basically that's the Fibonacci sequence. It was made by someone called It's like Leonardo di Pisa? I don't know. And it can be found in nature. That it's like 3 in a sunflower, the pine cone, the spiral thingy.
It's Jeep season, which means now's the perfect time into a Jeep Wrangler. Motor Trend's 2019 SUV of the year. Right now, get up to $3,000 in total discounts on select models.
Math wasn't made up to harass English majors. It was invented by a little something called nature, and it's everywhere you look. In fact, there are specific numbers that we see in nature all the time. Together, they're called the Fibonacci sequence, and it goes something like this. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55. You may know this pattern. The first and the second add up to the third, and the second and the third add up to the fourth, and the fourth and the fifth add up to the sixth, and so on. The sequence was first described by mathematicians in India about 1,300 years ago, and it was introduced to the West in 1202 by Leonardo of Pisa, aka Fibonacci, who is also responsible for introducing Arabic numerals to Europe, which, yeah, if he hadn't done that, we'd still be counting in Roman numerals, which would be terrible. Fibonacci was a mathematician, and in his book Liber Abaci, he described this sequence with a thought experiments about a family of incestuous bunnies. If you put one boy bunny and one girl bunny together, that's 2, and those 2 together will make a third, and those 3, when they're done, taking turns, will make 5, etc. But the easiest place to find these numbers in nature isn't in bunnies, it's in plants. If you cut a banana into slices, you'll see that it has 3 distinct sections. An apple has 5. No matter what kind of flower you're looking at, chances are it has 3, 5, 8, 13, or 21 petals. Rows of seeds in sunflowers and pine cones always add up to Fibonacci numbers. Now, plants don't grow this way because they're receiving some kind of mysterious cosmic mandate. They're doing it because it's the most efficient way to pack as many seeds as possible into a small space. And if you want to see why that is, you can go watch Vihart's video, which is linked in the description, and it's awesome. But in addition to the numbers themselves, you also see the same ratio between Fibonacci numbers showing up. See, when you divide almost any Fibonacci number by the one before it in the sequence, especially the larger ones, you get the same number, 1.61.
And 1.618 blah 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 is a golden ratio.
8 ... well, lots of numbers. The Greeks discovered this long before Fibonacci, and they called it phi. Today, it's sometimes known as the golden ratio. Phi was purportedly used by the ancient Greek sculptor Phidias to illustrate the idea of physical perfection. He's said to have used phi as a ratio between a statue's total height and the distance from the bottom of its feet to its navel, for instance, and also the length of a face divided by its width. There's a whole other set of patterns patterns in nature that are based on what's called the golden rectangle. A rectangle whose side lengths are successive Fibonacci numbers like 8 by 13. This rectangle can be divided up into a series of squares whose lengths are also successive Fibonacci numbers, in this case 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 5 by 5, and 8 by 8. When you draw an arc from one corner of each square to the other, they join to form a spiral that resembles many of the spirals we observe in nature. From the unfolding leaves of a desert succulent to the arrangement of those pine cone lobes and sunflower seeds and the shells of some snails. The math, you guys. It can be beautiful too. Thanks for watching this episode of SciShow. If you would like to get in touch with us, leave suggestions or ideas, we'll be in the comments below or on Facebook or Twitter. And if you want to continue getting smarter with us, you can go to youtube.com/SciShow and subscribe.
Nope. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. So, 1 scoop of fish food can feed 8 fish. How many fish can 4 scoops of fish food feed? A, 12, B, 16, C, 8, D, 64, or E, 32? Yeah, yes, think about it. Think of the answer and yeah. Okay, the answer is 3, 2, 1. The answer is, let me highlight it. C. Nope. E. Ha ha ha. E32. Because 1 can feed 8, so we times it by 4, so 8 times 4 is 32. Duh. Okay, so there's this square, right? That's the first shape. The second shape, third, fourth. How many squares are in, forgot to add that, are in the 100th figure? Okay, I'll give you 10 seconds. 10. Okay, so if you guys got 199 squares, you are correct. The reasoning is, how many squares are in the third figure? So there's 3 this way, and there's 2 this way, right? So there's 5 squares, right? And the 2 this way comes from this, the 2 from here. So that means in the 100th figure, there's going to be 100, and this way, it will go 99. If you add them up, it will become, guess, just guess, 199. Duh. Okay, so now, so, there are 16 islands right here, and these rectangles are the islands, and the line is the bridge, okay? So, it's a 0 here. That means the lines connecting to these two, they have no water in them. There's 2 here, so like 1, 2, they have water in them, right? These 2, so the adjacent, the number on the island shows how much water is on the adjacent islands. So it says 0 here, right? So the line, this line that connects to the other islands, they all have 0. This one is 2. So this one, that has water and that has water. This one says 4. Right? No, this one says 3, right? But there's 4 lines. So that means one of them doesn't have water. Okay? So try and figure this out. And yeah, okay? Okay. So the one that is blue, I'll highlight it, okay? I'll color it blue if there's water in it. So it says that, and I'll color it red if there's no water in it. So it says that this 0, so these 2 doesn't have water. No water in them. And this one doesn't have water. it says that 2 of them have water, but like there's 3 lines, so we'll skip that. We'll go to this side. It says that 2 has water, so 1, 2. So these 2 have water. Okay. So they have water. They have water, water. So there's 4 here. Wait, let's see. Let me think. I feel like I drew something wrong. Oh yeah, I forgot. There's one more line here. Okay, so there's a line like this, 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 and yeah, that's better. So there's 3, right? 1, 2, it's connected to 1, 2, 3. So they all have water. 1, 2, 3. Easy like that. Because this one doesn't have water, right? This one says that 4 of them have water. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So all of these have water. 4. 3 of them have water. 1, 2, 3. So that means this one, sadly, has no water. It says 4 of them have water. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One of these have water. It says 2 of them have water, so this one cannot have water. And that means this one has water. It says 2 of the connecting ones have water, so 1, 2. So this one has to have water. 2 of them has water, so this one has no water in them. Easy like that, okay? So now the next one. Oh wait. How about this one? It says that 2 of them has water, 1, 2, so it has no water. Now you can have a look at this and yeah. First, let me clean this up. So yeah, okay. So this has water. This, and this has no water. I feel like I got something wrong, but too bad. Oopsies. That's better. Okay, did you have a good look at it? Let me wait for this to be 100%, and yeah. Okay, so let's continue. Prodigy, let's go. Okay. So yeah. Okay, so let's go there. Okay, so let me pick this up. No, now I have to wait for it. Okay. Okay, so then I guess let's put there. Okay, so my face is lagging over here. So yeah, which is not good. Not a good sign. just do it like this here. Still there. Okay, so what? Okay, so anyways, there it is. Okay, so I guess I'll take it out. Save some time. Let me just go to Khan Academy. Should I not catch him? I don't know. So, first it's all 15. The bottom is 15. What we want to do is, change this to a 15. So we do 3 times 5. If we multiply the bottom by 5, we have to multiply the top by 5. So this will become 10 to 15. So this will be 6 to 15. But it says right here to reduce it. Reduce is like to make it smaller. So we can divide by 3 on both sides. So this will become a 2 and this will become a 5. So the answer is 2 to 5. Ow. Oh. So we'll just do Falling Star Smash. Ugh, no, I didn't want this. Anyways, we'll do the same thing. Change this. Maybe you can see it right now, but you see 12, 8, and yeah, that just does not look good. And yeah, try to do the rest by yourself. Three hours later. Got it? Oopsies. What I always do is put a 12. Wait. And a 15 on the top. And I'll see. Oh, wait. It's wrong. It doesn't work. So we have to reduce it. Divide by 3 on both sides, which is 5, 2, 4. Do you think I'm right? I think I'm wrong. Epic attacks. That's so sad. sad life. So this one will change. So this is 2 to 1. So that's 2 to 1. You just have to think with that. If you once you get used to it, you can just find snap, snap, snap. Because 6 over 3, if it's 6 over 3 or 6 line 3, if the 6 is 2 times the bottom one, that means it is 2 to 1, right? Yeah. Seven. I think I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. God damn. I'm literally gonna die. Oh no. No, no, no. Listen, I'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When I'm pressured, I get answers wrong so many times. No, I'm not gonna make it. Actually. Oh my god. This is the lowest I ever been. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If this is wrong, just imagine. Imagine. Rest in peace. Bam! Bye! Boy! Oh, so close. Yeah, basically, so that is what I was all gonna do. That's the only thing I was gonna do. I just wanted to introduce you to this game. So right now I'm level 80, and these are my pets: 69, 69, 72, 76, 68, 73, and 82. Yeah, that's basically my team. And this is my team when I'm in battle, because they have a lot of damn health. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you next. Nope. So now I'm playing Krunker. So yeah. Oh, I don't like free for all. It's so loud. Bye. That's what I like about this game. Hello? Does somebody want to fight me? That's what I hate. Is that when you spawn, you always spawn around people. But I like this map for one good reason. Is that when they're about to kill you, you can just jump off and commit suicide, and they'll say that nobody killed you. Oh my god, I hate. The only thing I'm good at is oopsies. Ah, god damn it. God damn it. I can see you. Oh no. I knew somebody was gonna spawn there. It's just that these SMG ones, this one, you can run really fast. You go like, woohoo, you're the Flash. This is the thing that sucks though, that there's no, shoot, there's not a lot of ammo. No, don't kill me. Okay, good. So, that, it has only 24 ammo, which sucks. This one, is like the slowest character, and it has bad sensitivity. I don't really use sensitivity. Oh frick! I can't turn. That's the problem. I'm gonna block my face off. Missed. Don't. I need a sniper, but like, don't. God damn it! I'm not fast. Nope. You committed Sudoku. You committed Sudoku. You committed Sudoku. What the hell? I like stand on the edge so I can shoot, but like, yeah. Oh shoot. Okay, thanks. You killed me to get me a sniper. Oh, come on. Really? And 9. I hate free-for-all. Really? Free-for-all sucks. Shoot. Free-for-all sucks. Server browser. It's gonna go there. Please say it's free-for-all. No. No, 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 no. Let me just go to Krunker again. Please be some challenge mode. Yes. We're losing 4-0? Really? This is not fair. God, so stupid. You guys suck. I'm a defensive player. Thank you! It's faster. Thank you. I'm a defensive player. This team sucks, literally. Thank God! Please don't be a sucky team. My team sucked. It was like 5-0. Yes, thank you. No, I'm with a guest. I hate guests. I hate guests. That's so much damage. I'm going mommy mode. I'm good at you know. Is somebody home? They're teaming up on me. Okay. So I'm gonna go here. Thank God we spawned here. This is basically where we have to go. Anybody home? Oh shoot, I thought he was an enemy. Ah, so close. Wait. I'm coming to the rescue. I don't know why he was just standing there. Oop. Kill me. Kill me. No, actually, no, don't. Woo. Thank God. If I spawn in the red building, yep. Nobody's home. Just look at the hard points. Check if they got any points. Take that side. Okay, I'll take this side then. Oh, we have one spectator. I have 2 kills, not too good. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's right there. I know where that is. There. Thank you for giving me some. I'll help you out. Don't worry. I'm at your service. Ah, snipers. I hate them. Oopsies. Come on, Shameful. It's all up to you. Come on, please kill him. You guys suck. You guys suck. Okay. Oh, nice kills. Okay, now it's the fun stuff. Updating. There's an update. Oh, come on. It's taking so long. I don't want the update. Is it this long? Three hours later. Oh my God. you know what? Unluckily, I'm not going to be playing Fortnite today, I guess. So, I'll end it here. See ya.